Hello! Today we're going to lubricate a power window on a Toyota Corolla. The lubricant I'm going to use for the power window guide is a 3-in-1 silicone lubricant. Silicone lubricant is usually safe for rubber, so it's a good lubricant for the power window guide. So as power windows get on in years, they start to operate a little bit slowly. You can see this one here. It's still pretty good. It's still operates relatively quickly. But over time they'll start getting slower, and you'll start putting a bit more burden on the electric motor. And sometimes it's just the gunk inside this track along here that the window rides in. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put some silicone lubricant in there and use it to lubricate this track and see if we can get the window to actuate a bit quicker and have less strain on the power window motor. So lubricating the track is pretty straightforward. We're just going to lower the window, and we're going to put this silicone spray inside this track here. Now we don't want to make too much of a mess, so it's a good idea to have a rag. So we'll just start spraying a little bit in the track here. And then we'll run the window up and down to get the lubricant down the rest of the track. And then we'll give it one more spray. And give it a wipe. Then we'll run the window up again. And then back down. And you can see it hasn't made a huge difference, but it's definitely made it a little bit quicker than it was to start with. So if you have really slow windows, this is something you can try. It might actually be the power window motor going out, but this is a good thing to try if you're not sure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Job done.